Hello and welcome to Rathod's IS. Today I am going to take one important question which asked by many UPSC aspirants. Question is, what is the best time to prepare for UPSC CSC examination? So answer for this question is generally there is no specific time. Why? Because some students they prepare right from their school days. Some students they start preparation during their college days or graduation. Some students they start their preparation after getting into job. So thus there is no specific time for preparing for this examination. But with my experience I want to share one thing. That is how you are preparing for this examination is far most important than when you started your preparation. And I want to share 4 important things. First one is you have to exactly know what to do and how to prepare intensively within this less time. And next one is your approach towards examination is very important. Ideally, you should not waste any time in calculating like how many months or how many years you are going to take to clear this examination. And third one is whatever time you are having, try to use best of it. And fourth one is don't postpone your attempt. So many students they will postpone attempt to gain some time and they think that they can prepare well to clear examination. But this is just illusion. The main purpose of making this video it is to realize the truth of UPSC preparation. So nobody or any candidate they will be not getting any advantage if he or she is starting preparation earlier. But many candidates or students they will be going into inferiority complex and they will think that they will not fit to write this examination because they didn't start earlier. So one thing you have to remember is, so this examination it is one of the greatest leveler in India because it is providing the same level playing field to all. So my kind suggestion is believe in it and get the best out of yourself. And all the best and thank you so much.